What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to become a millionaire from index fund investing for beginners. And I'm gonna tell you a stock, or not a stock, an index fund, a bond, and a real estate fund that you can invest in. I'm out of breath, sorry. Give me a second. Okay, so an index fund, if you don't know what it is, it's more than one stock. A lot of people like index funds because it's not as volatile, because a single stock isn't diversified. But I think you understand, if something's diversified, if say one thing fails, you still have all the, say there's a S&P 500, there's 500 stocks, and say 50 of them are doing bad. There's still 450 that are doing good. So it won't just drastically drop. Like when a correction happens, index funds usually don't drop as hard. I think I'm really dumb. I'm not a financial advisor, but I think that oh my god, my mom's calling. Give me a second. I'm back. Okay, so the first stock or index fund is VT-SAX. It trades around $103, and it stands for the Vanguard Total Market Stock Exchange. And my favorite five holdings in it are Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Facebook. There's also a $3,000 minimum, which means in order to actually invest into it on your stock account, TD Ameritrade, Robinhood, Webull, whatever you use, you have to have a $3,000 on it. But even when you have that $3,000, you can only buy one stock if you want, or one share, which is around $103 at this time when we're filming it. So the second thing is a bond. The bond is VBTLX, and it trades around $11, and it's the total market index it stands for. Also, for VT-SAX in the last year, has returned 20%. It sounds like I don't know anything, but I don't really stutter. I'm kind of dumb. I'm a 14-year-old. Just don't take this as a financial advice. If you're going to invest in something, don't do it because you hear from somebody. Do your research on it, and if you believe it's going to do good in the long term, then invest in it. So the VVTLX is a bond, and the dividend yield is 2.16%. And that means for every $100 you have invested, you will make $2.16 when they pay out a dividend. I don't know if it's quarterly or what. I don't own it. I don't own any of these stocks I'm talking about, or the real estate, the bond, and the index fund. I don't own any of these three. I own 21 different stocks in my portfolio, but I don't own them because I'd rather have higher return. The average index fund return is 8 to 11%. So I do more than that. I'll just put it that way. Okay, I just had to make sure I do. The third stock is VNQ. It's a real estate one. It is, meaning it's a US REIT fund. That's what it's called. It trades around $94 right now. And I like single stocks over index funds. That's how I am. I like higher return. You can't go into stocks though thinking, oh yeah, I'm gonna make money, I'm gonna be a millionaire overnight. It's not so let's get rich scheme. It's literally long-term investing. I'd say index fund, and my mom's calling again. Give me a second. I'm back. I don't know where we left off, so in my opinion, I'd rather have single stocks because they return more, and also time in the market beats time in the market. So if you have money to put in, don't wait for it to drop. If it drops and you're right, then yeah, okay. But over time, you're going to regret it sometimes if you think it's going to drop and it goes up, say, 10%. Depends what you're investing. If it's in an index fund, it's not going to go up 10% in over a month. Unless it's just weird. But I don't think it would do that. If you're a new investor, a lot of you would panic sell if you're in a single stock. So it's better for you to be in an index fund because it drops not near as much. I was investing in VTI in this last correction of, I think it was either January 19th or February 19th it started. I own VTI and it was at like $207, and like midway it had only dropped like $9, and my portfolio is down like 25%, so that wasn't even including that. That was like itty bitty piece of it. Let's just put it this way, I was down a lot of money. If you got this far and you want to see more videos, subscribe, like the video please. I appreciate you watching, and have a good night. Or whatever time you're watching, I guess. I lied to you. I have one more thing. If you started investing at age 18 at an 8% return until you're 65, $500 a month, it'll be worth a lot of money. You'll be in the market at that time 42 years, and it'll then be worth $3,140,300. Oh sh. $3,140,324.77. I need to go back to math class. Bye.